What's up guys? Welcome to another Toobs Talk. It's Kyle here. Today we're gonna be talking about the Terp Wipes. Now everybody's had a ton of different questions about this product. What is it? Why does it make it special? Well, today I'm hoping to release all that information so that you pick these Terp Wipes up and show your customers just how useful these are. Now there's a good chance you might have seen Terp Wipes on Instagram. This box is loud, obnoxious, and definitely in your face, but that's because this product works. On the inside, you're gonna have 70 wipes and 3 bamboo sticks that you're gonna use to clean out your banger, your bubble caps, and all of your dab tools. Trust me, this is a product that if you're a stoner, you're using every single day. So you may be asking yourself, what exactly is a Terp wipe? Well, you remember those wipes you used to get to clean your hands? It's similar, but these are way tougher. On the inside, you're gonna have 70 wipes. When you open the box, like I said, you'll have your 3 bamboo sticks. And here's how they come. So you're gonna have 2 wipes in each pack. Just gonna go ahead and open it up. Pull the wipe out, and the first thing you're gonna notice is how thick they are. They're super, super thick. So when you're pulling on them, they're not gonna rip. This is exactly what you need when you're cleaning out your banger, your dab tool, or any of your bubble caps. So now you've seen the thickness of a Terp wipe, you're probably asking yourself, what's it made of? It's got 75% ethyl alcohol mixed with water. Now let's go clean something and see how they work. All right guys, so you've seen exactly how these Terp wipes work here today. We freshened up this Quartz Banger, and one more thing I wanted to bring up. Now, glob mops. We do sell these on the website. We've been selling them for almost 2 years. We were one of the first distributors to carry them. This is the travel pack. We also have them in an XL pack. These go hand in hand with the Terp wipes. So if you are shopping on our website, make sure you pick up the glob mops with the Terp wipes. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us on Instagram at Toobs Distribution or shoot us an email. We'd love to hear from you guys. But thanks for tuning in. I'm Kyle, and we'll see you soon.